Hello, everybody. This is Jacqueline Kane, the medical intuitive. For those of you who don't know me, I just wanted to post a quick live here today. I have my Pain Free seminar starting soon. And if you have nothing to do on this rainy day and you're in pain and you would love to get out of pain and get to the root cause of what's causing it, and you would like to unlock your body's natural healing ability, there's still some room. I am in Farmington, Connecticut at 304 Main Street, Farmington, the Bridge Healing Arts Center, room suite 208. It's $33 and I promise the women who come, they are going to leave with less pain, more energy. We're also going to be doing a vision board today to set your intentions for this year, and I'm really excited to share all of this with everybody who comes. So please let me know what you're doing. I'd love to hear. And if you would like more information on future seminars, and if you are ready to heal your body, heal the mind-body connection, and really step into taking back control of your health, I would love to have you here. So let me know if you can join me in the comments. Let me know where you're coming from, where you're watching from, if you're going to watch the replay. And let me know what you are letting go of and what you are bringing more in 2020. Hi, Linda. Because 2020 is a year of expansion and creativity, and we can't have more of that when we are energetically sitting in energy of lack and frustration and physical pain, emotional pain, spiritual depletion. Many women I know go and go and go and give and give and give. And as much as we love to do that, we can't serve on a higher level the people that we're here to serve and the people that we're here to take care of if we're living from depletion. So my goal in 2020 is to have more expansion, have more energy, to do more, to have more excitement. And that's my goal for all of you. Hi, Linda. Yes, the year of magic, miracles, abundance, and blessings. I love that. I love it. So anyway, if you're in Connecticut and you have nothing to do, also if you're far away and you would love to be a part of this, we can do a virtual, we can do it on Zoom. There's so many ways these days that we can interact. Technology is amazing. I used to be really frustrated with it, but thank God I've cleared all of that most days. And it's a lot more fun and so many people that we can connect with. Yes, it's so true, Linda. We can't serve if we're depleted. I'm just wrapping up 2.5 weeks of sacred soul care to replenish myself. Yes, you are a great teacher in teaching us how to do that. So anyway, have an awesome day, everybody. Hi, Ainsley. If you're bored and you need something to do to get out of the house, my seminars today and my office is from 10 to 12. We're starting soon. It's only $33. We're going to clear the blocks and step more into owning our power. We'll be doing a vision board at the end to set all of our intentions in place. So have an awesome day, everybody, and I hope to see you and have a fabulous new year.